Where them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself and you don't know the thing going, you don't know it's a New Link there. And from New Link Production and we say attack. You don't know. So viewers and subscribers, we have some news that reached the New Link actually from yesterday, because today we in a Saturday right now, right? So from yesterday, some news that reached to us. You understand that yesterday, September the 11th, 2020 on the Friday, and it's where a shooting happened down in a St. James side down in a Montego Bay. But based on this shooting now, people, there's a lot of different news that reached the New Link and the shooting, and that's why I never fully cover the story. You know, okay, New Link love drop the news them as them happen, people, but because we get like 3 different side of story, people, but decide say, you know what, me I go wait until me can make some link and get the news from the bigger heads them, people, and so comes now that I do got the full information of what go on now. You get me, because me I hear say gunman dead and this and that, people, but now that I do got the full information of what go on, now New Link I go let you know the fullest zine. So now that I have this article placed right in front me, you know, people, I get me, I say describing and telling you everything where them say go on down in a St. James, down in a Mobile, people, with the gunman them and this and that and the police and the security forces them. New Link I go give it to you. So listen here now, people. 2 of St. James top tier gangsters are now in police custody in hospital after they engaged lawmen in a daring daylight gunfight in Catching Hall on Friday, September 11. The men were among a group of individuals who were fleeing the scene of a murder they committed just moments before. Reports are that at about 11:20 on Friday morning, 24-year-old Renard Anderson was watching over his friend's roadside vending stall when he was approached by one of the suspects who shot him several times to his head and upper body. Chano Star. The suspect then ran into a waiting Nissan Note motor car which sped off. Members of the St. James Quick Response Team, QRT, were immediately deployed and chase ensued. The occupants of the vehicle opened fire at the police team and eventually crashed into a parked vehicle. 4 men alighted from the vehicle and continued firing at the police. Before fleeing in separate directions, the chase continued on foot, and to St. Louis OC Dada along with Andre Reed OC Lily Zulus, Jano Star, what kind of name that, were accosted suffering from gunshot wounds. 2 illegal firearms suspected to have been used to commit the murder were recovered from both men. Renard Anderson was taken to the Cornwall Regional Hospital where he was pronounced dead later in the afternoon. The injured gangsters remain at hospital in serious condition under police guard. Of note is the fact that both to St. Louis and Andre Reed were both recently released from detention in St. James State of Public Emergency SOPE. Between them, they are both before the courts for charges ranging from murder, illegal possession of firearms, and other violent crimes. One of the suspects is a person of interest in a murder committed 2 weeks ago. Both are currently subject to conditions of bail requiring them to report to police stations in Hanover and St. James in the past 18 months. 4 illegal firearms have been recovered by the police from one of the suspects across 3 separate occasions. Andre Reed is to reappear in the Western Regional Gun Court on October 2, 2020 to answer charges of illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. There is currently no SOPE placed in St. James, so that's no state of emergency has been placed in St. James at the moment. So, now people, that I have the article and I just read it to you all. You understand? Describing what them say go on. And as you can see, people, these 2 men, Zane, they was in lockup during the state of emergency. But show them lift the state of emergency from down at St. James now, people. This is what go on. And I'm telling you this, people, since that state of emergency has lifted, things are turn up a Mobile. Things are heat up a Mobile, and it's not joke. Zane, We know so you have the quick response police team. You have also other high security forces there. But when the state of emergency was there, people, it did better. Many people may not like it. Many people may not want it. But it was really better. So now viewers and subscribers, Zane, these man now just released from detention. You know what I mean? For a good while now. Have other case ago and have court case ago and this and that. And you see it? A man them go slap and bust out head. Bust out the man head. Put several shots in his body. Zane, run gun, expect them to go flee police chase and them a shoot out with police and see the police slap. Boom, slap them. But what? I don't know who they on them side people because honestly, you know, normally when I hear them things there, people say bad man like them I get shot in a hospital in a serious condition because I tell you say for some police people, they make them get the shot and bleed out and dead. They now give them a chance if you go come so boom, Zine, and go to jail or go prison and get bail and come back a road for come give badness again because you can see them and there's some determined killers. You get me? Not even jail can hold them or stop them from doing it, people. Because if them come so boom, you know, and go jail people, Zine, or go prison, come back a road. That means them a come back come slap same way. Because like them a come back with vengeance. Them not care, them not scared. You know what I mean? And me can tell you this people, any man we see in a shootout with police are some terrible man. Them are some man who not think about life, who not think about the future, who not no plans. Them no business. Zine? So I'm telling you when them a man comes a boom and go to jail and come back a road, me right that trouble, problem, them not change. Zine? So I know a lot of people now are going to feel a way when them hear say, yo, them man are dead. You get me? A lot of people are going to say, John was start, how they manage to live, what kind of police make them live, how them in a hospital and a security guard. But in the end, people, as a year, they're in serious conditions. And you know what serious conditions go? Zine? One doctor can't do that and just give them one body injection and kill them same way. I not say a doctor for do it, but it can happen. You know what I mean? One little thing can go so boom, and you hear them drop out, them dead. Because remember, in a serious condition, them still under police guard, in a serious condition. Handcuff, hold on pan bed and them thing there. You get me as a foot, handcuff up this up and same way. Police there do you, there's a two police, you know what I mean? Police out there do same way, you know what I mean? Because they know say some top tier gangsters them, heavy man them, who commit crime. You get me I say, who now ramp and afraid for bust out a man head car. Look, there people, them say the youth, they are the star I watch it for him friend. You get me? And then my man just come there now, boom, boost, lick out him head, open him body, everything. And I try to make a run away and what? But in the end, viewers and subscribers, as me I tell a man, set away. You know what I mean? But they brought them man are lucky. Eh? But them not lucky yet. Youths, make some change, man. Zane, make some change and make a difference. Careful if you listen and sit down to some real gangsters and them talk to, you know, and make you understand, you know. Then I tell them, say, look here, you see certain things not even necessary nowadays. Badness not pay. You get me? I say, real bad man, ex-bad man can sit down and tell you that badness not pay. You know, make no sense. Youth, stop wasting your life. Youth, stop destroying your life. You know, make no sense, youth. Zane, youth, you have a strap, man. Keep on a strap and lock on a strap and protect on yourself. But no means so they gonna slap, man, this and that. Zane, and some man for Lego certain vibes too. Because some man get themselves in a problem with young man. Because if this a man, I know people differently, you know. He must be something make us them come for him at the stall, and I not pick up for no bad man. Zine, but he must involve in a something. No man now just come and come lick out no man, so. Or I'm friend who own the stall, but look at it. If I'm friend who own the stall, people, Zine, and his friend comes so boom, and make a move. Why when him did them come slap him? Him they want. Him they want. If friend can't come so boom, me don't know if a friend give no information to them to set him up same speed. You don't know, Zine, but him they want people pray the whole thing. They don't want the friend head. A film head they want, they know saying did they him a watch a stall on a Friday. You get me I say, and I go and come so boom and I burn his cliff and think them know what him a do. Zine, and see it there, then just come bust out in head and slap out in head. Youths, when you think badness not pay. Zine, And we say life, man. Make we keep life, youth. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is New Link, you know, from New Link Production, you know. And we say attack, you know, people. And I just love, you know, viewers and subscribers and respect. And just be good, you know, and be great and be safe. Because, yo, in this world, me I tell you, know, people, it's not easy. A life we are say people. Zane, and we are telling you them, so stay focused. Put on the guns. Peace out. Attack them New Link. Be good and be great and be safe. Big up.